In today's video, I'm going to show you the best free video AIs you need right now. Whether you want to create videos with built-in sound,
Wow, check this out. The pyramid is almost done.
or use the best models on the market for free and legally, you found the video you need. More and more AI video models keep coming out, and it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed. Today, there are so many tools to choose from that you don't know which ones are the best. And if you're not careful, some people can take advantage of that by trying to charge you for very low-quality models. Today, we're going to fix that. Look at how, with a single prompt, I created 2 videos using some of the best models available right now. For it to work, we need to set it up correctly if we don't want it to throw errors. The first AI we're going to look at is Seedance 1.5 Pro. To get to the best models, we need to follow these steps. I'm leaving the direct link to this platform on my website in the description. At the end of the video, I'll show you how. We're going to click on the model we want to use. In this case, this one. In a minute, we'll look at which ones on this list are the best. We're going to scroll down a bit and click this option. And in this tab, we're going to click this button. We've reached the model's workspace, but we need to follow these steps to be able to use it. It's very important that we sign in first, either with Google or with email and password. If after signing up it sends you back to the home page, just follow the opening steps again so you can use all its features without any problem. Now we're going to do the following. This step is very important, so be careful with this setting. If you notice, the number of videos per prompt is set to 4. I recommend lowering that to 1. You'll see that the results are pretty good, and you don't need to wait for all 4 videos to generate. Also, we'll see that each video uses credits, but don't worry. In a second, you'll see why that's not a problem. We can configure our videos even more. The ratio, I want it to be horizontal. The resolution, to generate faster, we're going to use 720p and 5 seconds of video. We can change these settings however we want. As we keep generating videos, we'll see that the results are very good, and we have many more options. You have all of today's prompts on the website. We can upload an image and ask it to turn it into a video, and the result is pretty good. We can even add one image as a start frame and another as an end frame to create a video with both. If you don't have an image generation model, on this platform, we have a very good free one. We're going to go to the top section and click Image Generator. Here we'll have several very interesting options. In the settings, we'll be able to choose the resolution, the aspect ratio, and the number of images per generation. And I recommend generating 4 images at a time so we can keep the best one. Once we have it ready, we download it and can turn it into video. We also have other options in the image section. In this area, we can generate everything from comics to our own storybooks. If you want more tools like this, remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment. As for the number of generations allowed, with each account we get access to generate a lot of videos with each model. And if you look closely, we have a full list that, as we try them out, we'll see works very well, both for image and for video. Even if you still generate a huge number of videos, all we have to do is wait a while and they'll reload for free again. The next model we're going to look at is Qwen. In this model, we'll have a lot of possibilities, not just for creating images and videos, but also because it's a very powerful text model with a ton of features, from creating websites and slides to many other things. But today, we're going to focus on images and videos. To start, if we need inspiration, we can go to the community section, and here we'll see the quality of the videos it generates, which is quite good. If one of them really catches our attention, we can click on it and download it, or look at the prompt that was used to create it and copy it or modify it however we want. On top of that, it has options that, if we set them up correctly, will let us create videos with audio, even with lip sync.
Did you know your gut controls your digestion, energy levels, and even your mood?
We can do the same with an image, or even look at the websites people create. If we want to create our own content, we're going to go to New Chat, and here we can select the thinking model. And I recommend that you use this model since it's the latest one and it will give us better results. Now we click the plus, and we'll have a huge variety of options to choose what we want to do. We can start by clicking Create Video, and here select the aspect ratio and start adding prompts and generating results. As you can see, they're very good. They even have a more than decent level of audio without us even asking for it. But here we can make it even better. We have the option to go, for example, to create image, and just like before, create super detailed images that this model can then turn into video for us. But if what we want is for our videos to have custom audio and for our characters to say exactly what we want, we have to do one required step. But before that, If you don't want to waste time using these free models, which are very good but can sometimes have quality issues or watermarks, I'm bringing you an option for anyone who wants to use one of the best video models available right now. I'm talking about Seedance 2.0. Inside Higgsfield, we'll be able to use this model, which, as you can see in the examples, we were not exaggerating when we said it's one of the best. But personally, I think one of the best things about it is the content it creates when we give it detailed prompts. It understands exactly what we ask for and gives very high-quality results. If we add audio options in the prompt, whether that's spoken lines or sound effects, it will implement them perfectly in the video. And because all of this happens inside Higgsfield, we can access the best image, video, and audio models on the same platform. We can go into Nano Banana 2, one of the best image models right now, add the image quality, the aspect ratio, and it will give us up to 4 very high-quality images at once. We select the one we like best and click Animate. This will take us directly to the video option, where, without having to pay for multiple platforms, we can turn our image into video using Seedance 2.0. We add how long we want the video to be, the quality, and a good prompt. If you want to try it, I'm leaving the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Also, right now they're offering unlimited Seedance 2.0 and free gens, with up to 70% off with a special discount. So if you were thinking about testing it, this is probably the best moment to do it. And as you can see in the comparison on screen, Higgsfield is currently one of the platforms with the lowest prices on the market. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. If, on the other hand, we want to add lip sync to our Qwen videos, it's pretty simple. But for it to work, we have to go back to the video section and add our prompt here, but also tell it that we want lip sync. We put in quotation marks the exact phrase we want our character to say, or the sound we want to hear in the background. This will make sure there's no confusion in the prompt and that the result is perfect. One section I really like in this tool is that if I can't find inspiration in Community, since it's also a very good text chat, we can turn on Thinking Mode and ask it to give us different prompt ideas to generate videos. The results will be very varied, and we can ask as many times as we want because it's completely free. We copy those prompts and turn them into video. Sometimes, if the tool gets overloaded, it can give us some kind of limitation, but if we wait a bit, we'll be able to generate again with no problem. Now for the best part, if we want to create videos using the best models out there, you have to try Arena. Remember, all the direct links are on the website in the description. Once we're in Arena, we'll find a very interesting tool where we can generate all kinds of things. If you're interested in using more AI beyond video models, we can go to Direct, and here, for free and legally, we'll have access to the best AI models for generating text, code, images, and even internet searches. If we go into the leaderboards, we'll see which models are the best so we can choose the ones that, according to the community, work the best. But today we came here to generate video. To do that, we're going to go to New Chat and turn on Battle Mode. Right now, for video generation, we can't specifically choose the exact model we want, but if we add a prompt, it will generate 2 results. And if you look closely, it will be using some of the best models out there, because they're all available here. We can run several tests, choose which one is best, and the only problem with this tool is that it has a daily limit. But we can come back the next day and keep generating content using models that cost hundreds of dollars completely for free. Now, like I promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how to get the free PDFs with all the information from today's video. Just go to my website with the link in the description, and we're going to click Free PDF. Once we're here, all we have to do is select the video we want the PDF from, click this button, and we'll have it downloaded. But there are also a lot of free options here that I'm sure you're going to be interested in. For example, we have a catalog that we keep expanding with free AIs that you can use from our website online and at no cost. We also have our own AI tools directory, where in one place you have grouped together, updated day by day, the best AIs for generating each thing for free. On top of that, you can see how the community rates them to help you choose better. We're also launching our new blog, where you'll find updated news about new free AI content. And this is only going to keep growing. If you want to stay up to date with the world of artificial intelligence for free, I recommend that you check out this website. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.